I need to get these money making apps more organized on this phone. So yes, guys. So basically, guys, welcome to my channel. It's super great having you guys here. Of course, today is the last of June, but we're gonna start the Cashout Marathon today because tomorrow will be an holiday, will be Canada Day. So I'll just start today and move on throughout the whole July. So let's get started. So the first money making app we're gonna do a cash out. So let me tell you guys how I'm gonna do it. Basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and actually do a cash out, and then I'm gonna answer a question. A popular question that people ask persons that are using money making app to earn. So just to keep all that into consideration, guys. So yeah, so it will be 31 days, so it will be 31 questions. So if you have any questions, you can comment down below and I'll answer it in another video. Sometimes I'll answer more than one questions, depend in one video. So yes, guys, so the money making app we're gonna cash out today from is called receipt jar. So no, receipt, is it receipt jar or receipt hug? One of them. No. The one that I'm gonna cash out today is called I-say. Yes, I-say. So I'm gonna cash out this money making app today and it's called I-say. It's actually a survey money making app. So yes, guys. So once you are earning with this money making app, all you have to do, you have to reach a point of 500 or more. And the reason why I say 500, because if you're cashing out gift card, you can use a 500 or 500 points. But then again, if you're cashing out into PayPal money, you can go ahead and actually uh, cash out the minimum $5.10 or 5 cents. Yeah, $5. So 5,000. Let me share it to you guys. For digital asset, the minimum is 500 coins or points. For transferring PayPal money, the minimum is 510 points. So now you can understand. And let's say you want to donate, you only have to have around 200 coin because donation is a part of cashing out too. Just want to make that into consideration. So yeah. So today, guys, we're gonna take out some PayPal money. So yes, guys. So let's do that. Have to go over to the redeem point section. You're gonna click how much you want to redeem, and then you're gonna press the redeem button. They're gonna put in your name. So when you just open your money making app, the first time you're gonna cash out, they're gonna ask you to put your name. That's it. So yeah, so I'm gonna put my name because your name that is you're gonna put here has to link with your PayPal account. So just to keep everything has to be the same. Just to keep that into consideration. So let me do this and I'll come back to you guys. And once you have put in your name and click the no refund policy, then you're gonna press the button that says okay, and then this you'd get this prompt message that says thanks for your order. You'll receive an email confirmation shortly. So guys, basically this is how the re email confirmation will look like. So it basically says hi, thank you. We have received your order. Congratulations, you have redeemed a $5 PayPal fund. So just to keep all that into consideration, guys, and you can see here, redemption amount will be added to your PayPal account. So just to keep it into consideration, in 1 to 3 weeks, right? So you want to make sure that everything, your name and your PayPal name are connected together before you go ahead and do all of this. So they'll send it in 1 to 3 weeks. Normally, it will be like 1 to 3 weeks for sure. Literally, with this money making app, what they say is that, so depending if you're cashing out for a while, you'll get it like in 2 weeks or a week. But sometimes when I do this, it takes even 2 weeks, 2 weeks add before I get the money. But I do get the money in my account, in my PayPal, and everything went well. So next, guys, I'm just gonna go over to the question part. So one of the questions that I want to answer today is the question that the question that was asked. Question was say that, what's the best money making app to earn with? For me personally, I'm just gonna, as always, I share with you guys my personal experience on this money making app. And the best money making app that I've earned with is Receipt money making app. Money making app that you just scan your receipt, take a picture of your receipt and upload it, and you get points, and then you use those points to cash out. For me, that is just, it is everything. It is everything. It is convenient, it is simple, it is easy, it is just worth it. Yeah, like to me, that is the best way. If I could earn like that all the time, I don't mind. For me, even the payout that they pay out for the receipts that they give, I think is very fair, right? So yeah, and you know what too? From I'm using my receipts money making app to earn PayPal money or cash out gift card or anything in years, they haven't changed the fundamental. It's the same thing. Nothing about the app, nothing about the points. They didn't change the amount of points. They didn't change anything. Everything is just the same as as I started using it. So yeah, I'll say that's the best. You don't like, you're not doing much. You're just taking a picture of and they give you straight instruction. They give you how long before you can basically stop using, before they basically close your account down, and they give you where to in which region, like where, if you're living, where you can use these money making apps. Everything is just there. Even the help section is really easy and easy to understand. They basically share with you the supermarket that you have to shop, and you can see it where you'll get more from where you'll get less, and everything is just easy to me. So if I'll say the best money making apps to earn with, since I've been earning, I'll say it's Receipts money making app. Money making app that you just take a picture of your receipts and basically just get paid for doing that. And those receipt money making apps, I have both of them here. I use two, and one is called Receipt Hug, and the next is called Receipt Jar. So if you're interested in learning more about these two money making app, I have a ton of video on my channel where I share with you guys about them. All you have to do is check out my playlist, passive earning, ways to earn passively. So that's it in my playlist, and then you'll get these passive way of earning. So guys, before I go, just want to say thank you so much for being here. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. As I said before, this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing with you guys my personal opinion, and hope you find value in it. And if you do, go ahead and give me that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And also, guys, before I go, just want to say, remember to stack stats daily, and also always remember, guys, and never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.